Welcome, Buccaneer. In this tutorial, we will learn how to access the 1098-T form. The 1098-T reports payments applied to qualified tuition and related expenses during the calendar year for which they receive academic credit. A calendar year begins on January 1st and ends on December 31st. The information reported on the 1098-T helps students evaluate their eligibility for certain federal tax benefits. First, log into the student portal at studentportal.berry.edu. Once you're on the home screen, click on the tile labeled Tax Information. On the Tax Information page, you will be presented with two options for receiving your 1098 form. If you select the option to receive your 1098 only in electronic format, you can access the form through the student portal for viewing and printing. If you choose the Withhold My Consent option, you can only obtain a hard copy of the 1098 form in person. Once you have confirmed your preferred option, click the blue Save button. If you select the electronic format, a 1098-T form will automatically generate for the current tax year under the 1098 Statements section, if eligible. A blue link will be listed under the notation column for you to click and access the PDF file of the 1098-T form. For more information about the 1098-T form, please visit our Student Accounts webpage to review the 1098-T Frequently Asked Questions. Thanks for tuning in.